Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 72 K10. Make a great running, driving project. Thing starts and runs great. New tires on it. Got rally wheels, four-wheel drive, 4-speed. Obviously the body will need a restoration as she's just kind of an original old pickup. So pretty solid truck. The box really isn't rusty. Got some dents. You do got some floor work right here. Cab corners look pretty solid. Probably going to need some rockers. Of course, interior needs to be redone with door panels, dash, seat cover. That's relatively cheap to do and easy to do. You can buy covers that go on there real easy. So not real expensive to do the interior. Like I said, be a beautiful truck. These blue and white ones bring lots of money. They're a great look to them. Obviously there's some body work on the bed. Tailgate's no good. Got a little bit of rust in the back of the box. That's pretty typical. Seen a lot worse. But like I said, the outside of the box wouldn't take a lot of metal work. It's just mainly your rockers. I think your rockers and some floor work there. So inner and outer rockers probably. So, and I'm sure the cab braces are bad too, as most of them are. So if you're looking for something to do this coming winter, great project. Drive it until you get ready to work on it, or just drive it the way it is because it runs and drives great. So got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.